The Move Full Grille Bumper Kit provides full front-end protection for your truck or SUV. We will walk you through how to build and attach the tubing and upright sections. Cutting, mitering, and coping are required for the tube portion of this kit. Please refer to previous videos if you need assistance with building the shell of the bumper kit. Begin by laying out the tubing and center uprights that go on your previously welded bumper. You'll want to find the center of your finished bumper on your truck and mark it. Per the provided instructions for your bumper kit, it is recommended to place your upright sections 1/4 inch inside each edge of the center. You may place lines there as placeholders. To assemble your uprights, it is suggested to use a 2x4 board to space the inner/outer hole protrusion plates 1.5 inches apart inside to inside. Then you will tack and wrap the flat strap across the face of the upright. Once both are done, you can remove the wood from the frame and cover your truck with a welding blanket to protect it from tack welding the center and side bars. Proceed to tack them level or square to your center bumper section while inserting the center bars. Per your preference, place the center bars center or level to the truck and tack into place. Then, fit your wing hoop to the W2 protrusion hole, as well as your upright protrusion hole, and level to your headlight or fender. Trimming may be required. Finally, if applicable, fit or cope your mid-tube to the wing using the upright protrusion hole, as well as your headlight as a guide. Then remove and finish welding.